In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to click on Security and Privacy. Then scroll all the way down to click on Privacy section here. And when you're ready, click on Permission Manager. Now, select any feature you wanna manage, like location, and pick an app under one of those categories. In case of location, allowed all the time, allowed only while in use, ask every time, or not allowed. Let's go with Firefox from not allowed one. Over here you can apply any of those options, in my case for location access, by clicking on them, allow only while using, ask every time, or don't allow. Let's go with ask every time. So when I go back to check it out, I can see that my Firefox has to ask every time if it wants to access my location. But what I like to do is picking any feature, selecting an app I wanna manage instead, like Instagram, and clicking on this tiny section here in blue, See All Permissions. Thanks to it, you can manage all of those features only for a chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!